Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So my girl Kathy sent me this super awesome colander set. Look how adorable this is. I don't know where she got it from, but this is the brand. So I think this is so awesome. It's been a while since I did a colander pour, so I figured this looks like a really good one to do an upside down colander pour with. And I like that it's nice and small. All the ones I have are pretty big. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on here. It's gonna be a little wobbly, but that's okay. And I'm definitely in a warm metallics mood for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some white. I'm using a lot of metallics here. Gold, some garnet. These are all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. You can find them on my website. I'm gonna use some Merlot. This isn't a metallic, but it'll be a good contrast color. Use some Fairy Dreams. This is a rose gold. Copper. And let's go ahead and layer some of these again a little bit more. I was going to use this Golden Sun, but I don't think it'll mix well. And I'm going to add, actually, I want a lighter contrast. I'm going to add a little bit of this electric pink. I think will be great. And definitely more of the Merlot. Gotta have that in there. Okay, great. I think that'll be a really cool color combo. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this. This would actually work really well like this also, I'm sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it upside down. And I'm not sure if I wanna pour around the sides or just in the middle. It has a very definite lip here. I think I'll do both. Yeah, why not? Let's go for it. Okay. So this is going to be fun either way. I'm going to pour primarily in the middle there, but I'll pour a bit around the sides. What a great color combo, right? Look at that. I'm going to have to use this color combo again on some other pieces. All right, so I'm going to let that, look how pretty that bowl is. And this is a Lowly Vefe bowl, guys. Silicone bowl. It's amazing. I have 4 of them and I've been using them forever. The link will be in the description. Lowly Vefe. I highly recommend it so you don't waste all those plastic cups. The paint just peels right out when it's dry. You could even use that for other projects as well, because look how pretty that is. I have done it where I've just put resin in here, left the skin in there, put resin and peeled it out and then resin the outside and made a little bowl. So that's possible. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully lift this up. Look at that. That is fun. Okay. Hopefully I have enough paint here. I think this actually would look amazing on a Lazy Susan. I do not have my Lazy Susan prepped at all for this canvas, but I think the next time that I do this, that's what I'll do. I'm going to try just pretty much going towards the corners and then back to the middle. Try to maintain as much of that pattern as possible. Look how funky that is. That's wild. And here we go. Stretch it out. So I generally think I prefer doing the colander not upside down. Let me know in the comments if you've done colander pours, which one you prefer. This is pretty fun though. So quite wild. I don't feel like I have quite enough paint. I'm gonna take a little bit off of the thing here and just help spread that on the edges. I think this would look great on a Lazy Susan. Okay, there we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my sides real quick, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so this is definitely a really wild pattern, because remember, it's essentially dripping through the holes in the top. Look at that. So I don't know that I would have this as a painting on its own, but it would at least make a killer background. But I feel like this is one of those that might kind of grow on me. And I really, really do love this color combination. So let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to check in the description for all of the materials. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. This came out pretty wild and crazy. Once again, thank you, Kathy, so much for these colanders. I'm very excited to use all of them and to try them out in different ways. And I will see you all next time.